Hey guys, it's Pikmin Toad121, and I hit 100 subs. Somehow, I don't know why 100. It's actually more than 100 now. The number will be shown on screen, wherever. I don't know. But I have some stuff to unbox because, you know, why not? And in the tradition, let's just continue with more headphones. Yeah, I bought these fake AirPods off of Wish. It's my first Wish purchase, and I hope it's not my last, but before I continue, I want to say thank you to everyone who subscribes. I don't really know what to do with this YouTube channel, but I just want to upload stuff, and, you know, I'm glad that people actually watch my content. Anyway, time to open them. They're the Bassius, whatever, something, AirPod Pros clone things. And, I don't know, I like to call them Beezus because it sounds less funny. And there you go, there's it off. There's the plastic off. It's not coming out. Oh, great. Flying all over the place. What's even in here? Sticker. Is this supposed to be Beezus's mascot? I have no idea. Then we have Chinese instruction manual. It's called the NCOC TWS. Oh, that's freaking hilarious. That's weird. It has like the book thing that Apple has, combined with like the pull tab thing that Apple has. Like, what are you trying to copy both at the same time? Anyway, here they are. Yeah, they're actually, you know, they feel pretty heavy. Plastic is terribly packaged, but whatever. I don't really care about that. Taking them out, and, you know, they actually look pretty cool. I don't have the actual ones, but they have the dreaded micro USB port. Oh, they actually came with the tips. That's pretty cool. Yeah. And obviously it's different. I mean, there's no button on the back, which I think is weird. And opening it up, it's just completely floppy. I mean, look at this. There's so much play in it. Like, really? But hey, they were $21. It looks like they're basically dead. And this thing does not stay open. Although the hinge does feel good to close, although it kind of closes on its own. Yeah, and obviously it says Beezus on it, and this, which the actual AirPods don't have, and it doesn't even have the button, which I think is kind of odd. But taking them out, you know, they actually look pretty accurate. I mean, I don't know what the real ones look like in person, but they don't look that bad. But they're super light. I mean, look at this. Did you see that bounce? Their case is dead. So let's bring out, and they're almost dead too. Let's bring out the charger. My very own portable charger. I didn't make a video on it because, frankly, I didn't feel like it. I realized that I should have. Jesus, get in there. Oh god. There we go. Oh crap, I put it on backwards. This person looks like they're having an amazing time. Anyway, let's get them charged. Actually, you know what? Let's try to connect them. What's something I can connect them to? Alright, I'll just do my iPhone 5S. Oh great, now it's, yeah, with the jailbreak tweaks on it. Turn Bluetooth on. Open them up. See what happens. Oh look, there they are. Although, I really kind of want to charge the case. Hold on. Cheap cables are cheap. There we go. Now it's charging. Alright, please connect. There we go. They're connected. Oh, now they're not. Please connect again. Can't see the... Okay. They're connected. It actually doesn't say which one's left and which one's right. I assume it's like this? Oh, It does say. I'm an idiot. It's right there. Alright, putting them in. They don't seem to seal that well, but... Oh, they have touch controls. Oh, wow, that's cool. Let's play some music. Oh, music just crashes. Awesome. Alright, I really have to redo the jailbreak tweaks on this phone. They don't seal my ears very well, so I think a lot of noise will get back. They kind of make a vacuum in my ears, which doesn't feel very good. I don't know. What's a good song? I don't know. Hyrule Field? Twilight Princess? The best Hyrule Field theme. Turn them down because I don't know what the volume is. They have decent bass. I can hear it. They don't really sound that good though. Maybe it's just because they don't fit, but I'll tinker with it later. Anyway, thank you guys so much, and I hope I could do more of these, but this was just an experiment to see if they're actually good. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.